Okay, let's be honest. We have all been there. You get a shiny new phone and it's lightning fast. 6 months later, it's moving like it's stuck in molasses. What happened? Well, imagine your phone is like your junk drawer at home. At first, everything's organized and you can grab what you need instantly. But slowly, you start showing random stuff in there. Old receipts, broken earbuds, and that weird cable you're not sure what it's for. Before you know it, you're digging through chaos just to find a pen. Your phone's doing the same thing, collecting photos of your lunch, apps you used once, and mysterious files that multiply like rabbits. Plus, all those apps running in the background. It's like leaving every light in your house on and wondering why your electricity bill is insane. The fix is simple. Be Marie Kondo for your phone. Delete apps that don't spark joy. Back up those 8:47 sunset photos and restart it once in a while. Your phone will thank you.